Righto, in this video we're looking at the enrichment questions in computation using percentages and money. So our first question, find 120% of 60. To do this with a calculator, 120% is 1.2, and then you times it by 60. To do it without a calculator, we need to remember that 120% is 100% plus 2 lots of 10%. So I'd expect everybody to be able to work out what 10% is. 10% of 60 is 6, so we've got 100%, 60, plus we've got 2 lots of 6, which gives us our 72. Once again, doing it on the calculator fine, doing it in your head much better. So, determine the value of x if 165% of x is 1.5. So, the way I did this one, I was a bit cheeky. I just set it straight up as an equation. So, 165% of x is 165% times x equals 1.5. Now, the easiest way to do this, I'm going to change it to a decimal. 1.65 times x equals 1.5. So doing inverse operations, this is times, so I'm going to divide by 1.65 on both sides. So we end up with x equals 1.5 divided by 1.65, and we find that x equals 10 out of 11. Once again, setting it up as an equation made it a lot easier for me to do. If I was trying to do it a different way, it would be a bit harder. Right, 2.80 as a percentage. 2.80 as a percentage, we've got a decimal, so decimal as a percentage, we've got 280 out of 100, which is 280%. So, shorthand way of doing it, you got 2.8 out of 1, and we want to convert it to a percentage, so a percentage is out of 100, so we're going to add 2 zeros on the bottom, same as multiplying by 10 twice, and we're going to move the decimal point 2 places, which gives us our 280 out of 100, or 280%. Right, 375% as a fraction. So when we're doing this one, the way I would do it is, let's start off with 325 out of 100, because it's a percentage. And then to reduce it down a bit further, we could write it as a mixed number. We could write it as 3 and 25 out of 100. Which we could further simplify as 3 and 1/4. Final question. We've got $2,000 in a bank account, increases to $5,000 over a period of time. By how much has it increased as a percentage? So, nice easy one to do. Our increase, it's gone from 5,000 to 2,000 to 5,000, so we've got 3,000 increase. And we want to find that as a percentage of what we started with, $2,000. So the increase, we can simplify that fraction down until we get 3 out of 2. And to change that into a percentage, we end up with 150% increase. And that's it for all our extension enrichment questions. I'll leave you to it.